Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel Financial Wealth, and if you are watching our video first time, please consider subscribing our channel on YouTube. Our today's video is regarding the Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is one of the hot topic nowadays, and we're going to talk about all the latest news on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin price hit all-time high at $48,000 level for a second time in this week. BNY Mellon, America's oldest bank and a major custody provider, said Thursday that it would begin financing Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies soon. The company will eventually allow crypto asset to pass through the same financial network it currently uses for the more traditional holding like US Treasury bonds and equities. BNY Mellon is proud to be the first global bank to announce plan to provide an integrated service for digital asset. BNY Mellon CEO said that the growing client demand for digital asset, maturity of the advanced solution, and improving regulatory clarity present a tremendous opportunity for them to extend their current services offering to the emerging field. Also, Morgan Stanley $150 billion Counterpoint Global investment unit is considering placing a bet on a Bitcoin as well. Now, Bitcoin wallet BitPay, prepared for MasterCard users in the US, can now add their card to Apple Wallet, and Apple Pay will now allow Bitcoin to be spent online as well as in the apps buying. BitPay plans to add support for Google Pay and Samsung Pay by end of the March, according to BitPay CEO, adding Apple Pay and soon Google and Samsung Pay makes it easy and convenient to use the BitPay card in more places. To add your BitPay card to Apple Wallet, you need to have the most recent BitPay app. After Tesla announced their crypto buy, many analysts called for Apple to move forward in the cryptocurrency and suggested that Apple should launch its own cryptocurrency exchange. Since Apple Wallet is used by the millions, it could generate more than 40 billion by making the jump into the cryptocurrency. Now, Tesla announced that it had purchased 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and would soon accept it as a form of payment. Bitcoin is up more than 60% since the start of the year after quadrupling in value of 2020. The digital coin blistering rally has been boosted by increased demand from the institutional, according to bulls, and who say that the more experienced investors are warming up to the cryptocurrency due to the perception that it is store of value like a gold. There are some analysts worry that Bitcoin may be one of the largest market bubble in the history. Custody services are a key part of the financial system as they ensure client financial assets are held securely. Many firms have sought to address security in crypto. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency are not maintained by a central authority like a bank, meaning investors often have nowhere to turn if their funds are lost or stolen. So that is one of the biggest risk in the Bitcoin, that if you lost it, you don't really know where to go and whom to ask the question basically. Also, Jay-Z and Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, they are preparing, and that the pair are establishing a Bitcoin development fund. Bitcoin is already in Dorsey's portfolio. His other company Square brought 4,709 Bitcoin in October 2020, equal to 50 million at the time. In 2018, the company expanded its mobile payment service Cash App to support Bitcoin trading, even for the users without bank account. They allowing get the Bitcoin. In 2019, they launched Square Crypto, which award grants to Bitcoin developers and designers. Also, very recently, Twitter executives said in an interview that the company is reviewing other new uses of the digital currencies, including employee pay. So that if, let's say, Twitter announcing they're going to pay their employee in form of Bitcoin, that could be the first company probably in the world pay in the Bitcoin to their employee. So let's see what the news comes in the near future. Other thing, Tesla's big bet, the most valuable car company on the stock market. Tesla announced that it is holding some of its cash in Bitcoin rather than traditional currency, and it might soon accept the cryptocurrency as a payment for its car. So you hear that right. Yes, now if you want to make a shopping of Tesla car, you can probably use the Bitcoin. Interest in the Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrency, and you probably seen some of his tweets on the Dogecoin as well recently. In December 20 tweet, he said that the Bitcoin is almost as BS as a fiat money, and they're suggesting his belief that it is perhaps less BS than traditional government-backed currencies. So he is on the side of Bitcoin and crypto now. There is also news that MasterCard jumped in as well. The credit card company is bringing Bitcoin to the checkout counter, announced that it will support select cryptocurrencies directly on its network at some point later this year. Although MasterCard was short on the specifics, the company said the process might work something like this. When a customer wants to buy an item with Bitcoin, MasterCard crypto partner will convert the digital currency into traditional currency and transmit the fund over the MasterCard network. This change will allow many more merchants to accept the crypto, as well as to cut out the inefficiencies, letting both consumers and a merchant avoid having to convert back and forth between crypto and traditional to make the purchases. Now Bitcoin is becoming the alternative asset. Now we can see the day by day all the institutionals and bankings and all the bigger companies are interested in the Bitcoin, and now it is kind of becoming the alternative asset. Following the news on the Tesla large investment, the cryptocurrency shows as a boost in the confidence. As more and more companies are start accepting Bitcoin, this will only lead to the further increase in the demand and in the market, which is limited in a supply as well. As we know, the Bitcoin are very limited as well. If all the companies are jump at the same time, we might be out of the Bitcoin soon. Bitcoin is becoming the alternative asset. It is not correlated to anything else in the market, and that is the make it attractive asset to add to a portfolio. So let's say in the market, whatever your investment, it is kind of tied to the different activities in the market directly. If you hit the recession, then your asset or whatever your investment can go down, right? And but the Bitcoin is not really related to the market, so you might be safer staying in the Bitcoin. So now they also said the Bitcoin is a mother of coin. So mother of coin is one of the biggest coin nowadays and the biggest value in the market as well. That is basically Bitcoin. Some says it is bubble and some says it's just a starting point. Now think about that if you have invested $100 in 2009 in the Bitcoin, its today's value is $49 million. So it is very interesting to follow the Bitcoin and see where it is going. I personally invested something in the Bitcoin, and I don't want to suggest here that whether you should buy or you should not buy, but I think you should at least follow the news and see where it is going from now, right? And who knows, back in 2009 we missed the opportunity, right? We might try something to invest and see where it is going. Never know, 10 years from now we might hit the million, so just follow the Bitcoin and follow our channel. We will come back with all the update on the Bitcoin news, and please consider subscribing our channel, and see you till then. Thank you.